Lesson 8.2 is on phrases, adjective phrases, and adverb phrases. All right, an adjective describes a noun, an adverb describes the verb. Okay, so a phrase just means more than one word. It's a group of words that's used in a particular section or part of speech. Okay, a prepositional phrase, which is what we've been working on all 9 weeks. Okay, you got your preposition and then you've got a noun, and of course, any modifiers that go with that. If you look at the um, screenshot that I provided for you, take a look at that first example. World's fairs started in the 1800s. All right, so the part that's highlighted in red, that prepositional phrase in the 1800s tells you when that action happened. So if it tells you when the action happens, that makes it an adverb. So that would technically be an adverb phrase. Even though it is a prepositional phrase, we will call it an adverb phrase. Look at the second example. The exhibits at World's Fairs showed the latest inventions, discoveries, and developments. All right, so what kind of exhibits? The ones that are at World's Fairs. So that describes the noun exhibits, making it an adjective. So that would be called an adjective phrase. Okay, the prepositional phrase works in both categories. Now we've got a couple of extra ones that are just for you advanced students. A participial phrase. Ooh, we're going to start to learn a little bit about participles now. Okay, the present or past participle. We've already gone over that a little bit way back in January, if you can remember that. Okay, the present or past participle and any words that go with it. That's what makes it a phrase. Okay, participial phrases will always act as adjectives. So it's going to be underneath of the noun if we were diagramming it. Take a look at that first example that I've got there for you. Attending World's Fairs, people learned about the latest advances in technology. Okay, so people, what did they do? They learned. Okay, but that attending World's Fairs tells you the people that were attending the World's Fairs. It's a little bit tricky. Just that's why we're giving you the answer portion of it, that it's always going to be an adjective. And then the infinitive phrase is made up of an infinitive word like to, and then the base form of the verb. Okay, and all the words that go with it. Some infinitive phrases are going to function as adjectives or adverbs, and then others will actually act as a noun. I know this is going to be a little bit tricky, but I have faith in you. You can do it. Take a look at that first example. A good place to see new products was their World's Fair. See, that's like infinitive. To see new products. Okay, that's like not definitive, it is infinitive. All right, it gets a little bit more clear as you do the exercises, and then I'll explain more to you on the next video.